I've missed your curls from my feet. Seems don't realize how mean I can be. Cause I can sometimes treat the people that I love like jewelry. Cause I can change my mind each day. I didn't mean to try you out, but I still know your birthday and your mother's favorite song. So I'm sorry to my unknown lover. Sorry that I can't believe that anybody ever really started to fall in love with me. Sorry to my unknown lover. Sorry I could be so right. Didn't mean to leave you and all of the things that we had behind.